Hello everyone, Namaskar and good day. In this video, we will take a quick look at Krsnaa Diagnostics Limited IPO, share some details about the company and provide our recommendation on whether to subscribe or not to the issue and whether we can get listing gain on this IPO or not. So stay tuned. So let's talk about IPO details. The issue is for a total of rupees 1213.2 crores, which comprises a fresh issue of rupees 400 crores, an offer for sale by the promoters and other of rupees 1213.2 crores. The issue opens on 4th August 2021 and closes on 6th August 2021. The price band is rupees 933 to rupees 954 per share and the bid lot is 15 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be rupees 2,994 crores and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 17th August 2021. Krsnaa Diagnostics Limited. It provides a range of technology-enabled diagnostic services such as imaging, pathology laboratory and teleradiology services to public and private hospitals, medical colleges and community health centers pan-India. The company provides quality and inclusive diagnostic services at affordable rates across various segments. Since its inception, it has served more than 23 million patients. It focuses on the public-private partnership (PPP) diagnostic segments and has the largest presence in the diagnostic PPP segment. Company's PPP agreements are typically long-term in nature and ensure the predictability of revenues from operations. Company has deployed 1,797 diagnostic centers pursuant to PPP agreements with public health agencies. In addition to the PPP segment, KDL has been growing its collaboration with private healthcare providers to operate diagnostic centers within their facilities and have expanded it operated 26 diagnostic centers as of June 30, 2021. Objective of issue: to establish diagnostic centers 150 crore, to make repayment of borrowing 146 crores, to meet general corporate purposes. Positives: company has largest presence in the diagnostic PPP segment. PPP agreements are typically long-term in nature and ensure predictability of revenue. Company continues to become preferred partner from public health agencies. Company granted 77% of all tenders they have bid. Company's diagnostic centers span 13 states and present in over 1,800 locations. Risks: 67% of revenue come from public health agencies. Any change in regulations can impact company's revenue. Weak financials: company has negative net worth of 197 crores in 2020. Due to that, company need to raise fresh capital in 2021. Low promoter shareholding. Promoter holds 29.5% of pre-issue and it will come down to 25.5% after the IPO. Based on FY 2021 earnings, IPO is priced at a PE of 77.9x and EV per EBITDA of 29.5x at the upper band of the IPO price. We believe the short-term positives have been priced in. Company not having a healthy balance sheet, and even in FY 2020, company had a negative net worth. If we adjust the exceptional gain of rupees 252 crores, then the company has reported a net loss for FY 2021. Looking at the valuations and weak balance sheet, we are assigning a neutral recommendation to the issue.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.